I'm learning IGCSE biology, which has many topics, and our school is bilingual, so it's really helpful to my future. First, I thought biology is a really hard subject because it takes like a few decades to graduate, so which means I will be like nearly 30 years old when university years finally end. And as long as I start learning biology, it becomes more interesting and more easy. Biology is really amazing that it's not about like maths and theories and numbers, it's about real life situations. I choose IGCSE biology from various of IGCSE subjects, not only because it helps me to become a doctor. I've always been fascinated by the natural world. This childish fascination has not left me, but deepened over the years. This interest has led me to my love of biology. And most interesting part of the lesson is doing experiences, because we can learn and see the real things through it. And the real cool thing is the more we understand the other organisms, ultimately we understand ourselves too. In addition, biology is really helpful for our daily lives because we can get knowledge about like balancing our nutrition and treating diseases, and we can know about our environment. Biology is literally everywhere.
I'm here to inform you a little bit about Cambridge program and some of its impact on us. So the main purpose of Cambridge Institution is to provide an equal opportunity to students all over the globe, no matter the cultural difference. So that the students can pick up the fundamental knowledge required to proceed their educational path. As for me, I've been studying English subjects for 2 years, and before that, I was not really enthusiastic about science-related subjects. But hopefully enough, our school started to engage in Cambridge program, which allowed us to choose whatever subjects we would like to proceed learning and ditch the ones we liked the least. So biology was one of my favorite ones. So throughout those past 2 years, I've understood how important the scientific theories are for our everyday life. Like let's take homeostasis for example. This simple term refers to a self-regulating process which aims to keep the body temperature stable. So that explains why we shiver and raise our body hair when it's cold. And my personal thought on the books that Cambridge provide us is that they are far more interesting and understandable than the regular ones we use in Mongolia. And along with learning English subjects, we also adopt many useful skills and positive attitudes like being able to work in teams and being positive and reflective upon ourselves.
My favorite subject is science, especially chemistry. The reason why I like chemistry is it's more fun and it's interesting than the other subjects. And I have learned many things from chemistry, such as chemical bondings and compounds composed of many atoms and molecules. And I learned about the structures and properties of atoms.